I invite all Detroit diesel fans to come to the Pacific Bus Museum on Sunday, August 18th. We have quite a selection of Detroits that'll be on display for our open house, including our 1826 Detroit 471, our 1947 671, our Peerless Stages 246 671, our 8005, which is an 8V71. ABN1 was repowered as an 8V92. Our Detroit Diesel 671 128 is a classic, as well as our 2103 Key System Transit lines. Our Yosemite College District 2623 is an 8V871, and our 172 is as well. 3270 is an 8V71 automatic, and our 9E flexible is a 671 5-speed. The Santa Cruz Metropolitan Transit District 842 is a 671, and our AC Transit is a 6V92 turbo. Come visit us in Fremont, California.